Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 BMW 4 Series 430i Gran Coupe. Now I didn't forget a letter. This is in fact a 430i, not a 430xi. In New England, rear-wheel drive versions are very, very rare, obviously, except for the M3, which for many years was rear-wheel drive only. So it's kind of cool to get a rear-wheel drive version of a car that I've only really seen in all-wheel drive. Now, if you're based in Florida or Los Angeles, you've probably seen a ton of these before, but I haven't. Well, that was weird. Obviously, sunroof. This one has the M Sport package. And premium package, so it does have gesture control and all that fun stuff. I put sport displays on. So let's see, it's a little cold out, so that's why I'm starting in here. Brooklyn gray metallic, obviously has some aftermarket stick-on parts. Not too bad. Actually looks pretty darn good. These Pilot Sport all season? Yeah, these are some of the best all seasons on the market. Pilot Sport all season 4s. It's a little frozen. No, come on, there you go. I'll have all the specs in the description. This one does have automatic parking with the park assist package. Without further ado, go into drive or in sport. I don't think I've driven a 4 Series Gran Coupe, maybe an M440 Gran Coupe a couple years ago, but it's been a while. It's definitely been a while. Yeah, this is pretty good. I've spent a little bit of time in it, and I do like it a lot. It is a lot of fun, and that rear-wheel drive aspect just adds that little bit of fun to it. Obviously, being New England, there's a little bit of ice on the road, so it's controllable. These tires are really, really good. Those hood vents are aftermarket. If you're seeing those, like, oh, I've never seen one with that yet. That's because they never came on it. For being the base engine, this is a really, really good powertrain. Very torquey, lots of good power all through the rev range, and enough to keep this thing kind of fun. In terms of being able to tell the difference between an X-Drive and a rear-wheel drive, not really. I haven't really pushed it too much, so I haven't really taken corners and stuff like that. It's not like I have a test track or anything like that. I mean, you hit a patch of ice, you know it's rear-wheel drive. The ZF 8-speed, man. It's one of the best torque converter automatics on the market. See, so it wants to rotate there under power. If I put it into sport traction, yeah, so it's willing to rotate, but it's not gonna over rotate. So yeah, I would say traction control is very, very conservative with this. if you go full off, yeah, it's much more eager to rotate than a X-Drive. I mean, we're talking about 20 degrees on dusty roads. But I will say, it's not gonna snap at you unless you do something really stupid. Or you hit a patch of ice, then it gets a little snappy. But yeah, traction control is very, very conservative on that. With the M Sport package, you do get the M steering wheel, which is nice. This is heated. Do have tints on it, which I like tint. I never was a fan of tint until I started driving cars with tint, and I was like, okay, I get it. Fuel reserve. Ha! Alright, so that's how you search for that. I don't like that. Give me back my sport displays. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.